guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So today, we're still way behind, but we are doing the February Boxycharm base box. And we have, let's see here, at least one high-priced item in here. But the rest of them are pretty middle of the road to mediocre, but I mean, I'm still excited to have them. So, in no particular order, just from what's on top. First, we have this big dude here from Dragon Beauty, and it is the lip job liner and sharpener for $18 in the color 2.0 CC. So it says, contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating, this formula serves fuller lips needle-free. Keep your lip job liners on point with the single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. That is a really long pencil, like, straight up, like, just like comparing it to like a normal eyeliner pencil, because most lip liners are about the same length. Just, yeah, that is a really long pencil. Like, that is insane. Let's see the color. I mean, it looks like that on the butt end, but let's actually see it. Okay, it does look a little different, so that's not a bad color. I'm digging the dragon scales that are on the pencil itself. So where's the sharpener? Is it in the other end? I bet it's in the other end. Yeah, there it is. It's just like a little normal sharpener. Ta-da! Does that side? Oh, that side opens too. Cool. So that's a thing. Let's stick that over here for now. Next up, from Wander Beauty, we have the Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette, which looks like it should be really pretty. So this costs $42, and it features hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are crease-proof for all-day wear. Ooh, sounds good. Let's see it. Oh, good. They have the same picture on it. Ooh, okay. So let me cover the mirror so I don't blind you with the light, but let's take that off. Look at these. Oh, those are beautiful. Especially that blue and that pink. Like, those are absolutely gorgeous. Like, my goodness. I feel like I got another palette from somewhere that had two very similar shades in it, and I think I even pointed out those two in particular in that one as well, where I was like, those are the best ones in here, and I'm like, I'm noticing a trend here. I'm definitely noticing a trend with myself, but, you know, nothing wrong with that. But not bad. That is, like, kind of small for a $42 palette, but who am I to judge? Then from Anastasia Beverly Hills, we have the Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe. Let's see here. Oh, and there's a brush that goes with it in here. Ah, it's got like a little angle on that end, a spoolie on the other. So this set costs $39 together. It says, this Dip Brow Pomade is full pigment waterproof pomade that can be used to fill in and detail brows. The long-lasting, buildable formula glides on, dries down completely, and stays put, giving you effortless, natural-looking, textured brows. The brush 7B is a tapered, angled brush with synthetic fibers and is ideal for applying powder and emollient-based products to the brows. Use the brush to create precise hair-like strokes or sweep color throughout the brow. Use the custom spoolie and to blend products through for a soft, natural-looking finish. So let's see what color this is. I can really tell from that. Not so much. I mean, kind of, but like, let's look at it. okay. I mean, that's reasonable, I think. Like, that's not that far off from my actual brow color. It's a little lighter, but I feel like that blends in better than going darker where it's, like, way obvious. So, I am not mad about it. So, okay, I'll have to play with that. It's a different format that I'm used to, but to be fair, I'm not that used to doing my brows in general, so... Okay, let's see here. From Seraphim Botanicals, we have the Luna Liner Water-Resistant Liquid Eyeliner, and this is $18. A vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The micro-brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, allowing you to create precise definition wherever you want. Let's see it. Ooh, okay. Is that what I have up? No, it's not. Okay. So it is sealed, so I guess I'll leave it alone until I'm ready to use it, because I don't want it to dry out in the meantime, because that would really suck. But if it hadn't been sealed, I was going to open it up and let you guys look at the tip on it. I think there's only one more thing in here. Yeah. So this is actually, believe it or not, the high-ticket item out of these. So this is the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Yeah, this is an eye serum in this big-ass thing. And it's $63, which is insane. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, the serum is ideal for all skin types. So this, I have to wonder, do you use it in place of eye cream or in addition to eye cream? From my understanding, I feel like I've seen people say you use it in place of it, but I'm not certain on that. So let me know if you happen to know. But that was everything that was in this box, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.